What's up, YouTube? On this episode of Monday Meals with Mike, we're going to go over a protein-packed, keto-friendly breakfast bowl. Alright, so I'm going to tell you why I love these bowls. They're easy to make, they only involve 3 ingredients, and you can keep them for up to a week in the fridge. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need a dozen eggs, a pound of any sausage of your choice. For this one, we're using hot Italian sausage. And you're going to need any shredded cheese of your choice. This one for this is just Kraft shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your dozen eggs, get them into a bowl, and you're going to want to fold up your egg mixture. So you're going to just hand mix them like you see here. Then we're going to move on to the next step. So the trick to making the perfect scrambled eggs is to continuously stir once you pour it into the hot pan. You don't want to let it stick to the sides. You want to continuously keep scraping it, as you see here. And once you have it to the consistency that you like, as you can see in the bowl that I have here, I have a paper towel sitting in the bottom of it. You just dump the eggs right into there to let it cool, and the paper towel helps keep the moisture out of them. Now moving on to the sausage, while the eggs are cooling, you're going to go ahead and throw your sausage right into the skillet, cook it up, brown it up, cook it thoroughly, and just, well, cook the sausage till it's to your desired crumbliness. I like to break mine up small into small chunks, and then same thing, once it's finished, I throw a paper towel in the bottom of a bowl, I dump the sausage in, and you can see that it's on a food scale, and I do that so I know how to separate them properly. You got 13 ounces here. We're going to make 6 breakfasts at 2 ounces a pop per each one, which we'll get into. Okay, as you saw earlier, I had my eggs all weighed out. You divide that by 6, it turns into about 91 grams. So we're going to go ahead and set our Tupperware right on this food scale, put 91 grams of eggs in. From there, we're going to add 2 ounces of sausage into each one. The eggs are already done, so here's that. And then from there, you can see that I have my cheese sitting right next to the scale. I do 1/2 serving or 14 grams of cheese per breakfast bowl. And then when you're done, you just grab right a hold of it and shake it up. As a bonus, you can throw anything else you want in there. My wife, I know she likes mushrooms, so I have a skillet of those going. And I just add about 10 to 20 grams of mushrooms in there just to add the flavor for her. You can literally make this to any breakfast bowl that you want, so go nuts with it. And hopefully you found it was nice, easy, and simple to make. So if you enjoyed that video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, leave a comment down below so I know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I post my home workouts daily. I'll leave my handle right here. Till then, stay fit, stay focused. We'll catch you on the next one. What's going on, YouTube, in this episode of... Okay, let's try again.